Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this effect using simple tools for the lenticular print, lenticular photo, any way you want to call it, and turn your favorite characters or your pictures of you, of your girlfriend, of your family, into Pixar characters and then paste them on your phone. First thing you need to do is go to Gemini. Gemini, for those of you who don't know, is a tool that uses Google, like ChatGPT is for OpenAI. It's an artificial intelligence chat who also manages different tools to create images, to create videos, and yeah. So you need to go to gemini.google.com. If you don't have an account, don't worry. The first month I think is free. There's also a free version, but I recommend using the paid version. You get a month free. So just subscribe and don't forget to cancel before the month and you won't get charged. I recommend this because the paid tools that are included in the paid plan are better to create images. So, okay, let's go here and create a banana here to create images. And I have this in Spanish, sorry, but it's the same thing. I mean, you can obviously know what I'm doing here, even if you have it in a different language. And just suppose I'm going to create an image from zero, but if you already have the image, just skip ahead until we start editing the photos. Okay, first thing first. Create a picture of a young guy with his dog at the park. Okay, this I think will take less than 30 seconds and it'll give me the image. I'm also going to use Photoshop just to make the picture better here. The format of the picture and the angles for them to fit better. Okay, here's the picture. I'm going to download it now. Okay, this is taking a little bit. There we go. I'll just open it, the new picture in Photoshop. And we're going to cut the picture for it to fit on my phone. Photoshop now includes also some AI tools. I use them a lot for them to edit the pictures way better than before. For example, here, the picture is a little bit too short, too small, so it doesn't fit right on my phone. If this is, for example, the picture I'm going to print for my phone, the size is not enough. So I'll just select here and also select down here and tell the AI tool from Photoshop just to complete the image background. Click enter and it also takes about 20 seconds or less and it's going to give me the complete picture. There we go. You can select from three options that Photoshop gives you. So I like this one better. So let's say now I'm ready. I have the picture. I'm going to save it as a PNG. Okay, man and dog on my desktop. Then, okay, there it is. I'm going back to Gemini. Now I'll upload the picture and tell the AI, can you create an image like this, but in Pixar style? And click enter. So it's going to create an image with the same characters here, but animated in Pixar style. There we go. Look at it. Look at this. It's not on Pixar mode. I'm going to download this picture now and make sure it has the right dimensions as my other picture so I can make the photo flip effect. So I'll just copy it here, same dimensions, and now we are ready to create the effect. I don't like the lighting here, the brightness, so I'm going to give it a little bit more brightness and contrast. There we go. So I think we're ready to create the photo flip. I'm going to do this real quickly. Okay, I'm going to save this image first. Export. Wait. Okay. Export man and dog 2. Now, make sure obviously you save it on the right dimensions as you need for your phone. So next thing, we're going to open up my flip pre-saved format of the lines. Okay, these files, I don't have them here in the video. I teach a course online, so for those of you who need these files and want to learn how to use them, I'm going to leave the description the link to the course, and there you can learn, obviously, if you don't know how to create step by step with the files this kind of photo flip images. So next thing, I'm just going to post here my first image, and then my second image. Okay, same size. Now I'm going to use those two to leave it a little bit of. Here's the dimension. If you see, the height is 12.35 centimeters and the length is 7.19. So this is how I can make sure if I'm going to have enough space for my phone, for the image to fit my phone. So next thing, just so we don't waste any ink when we need to print, then I'll just use these tools, and that's it. I'm ready to print. I'm going to merge these two layers and just delete one of them so it'll be easier while I'm pasting the lens for it to fit. So that's it. If you can see, now one of the lines is on one image and the other one on the other image. So it's ready to make the flip effect when printed. If you want to learn anything more using AI tools or about the course, let me know, and I'll be glad to create a new video for you. Thank you.